Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another makeup tutorial and this one is for a Diwali makeup. So this is like a soft smoky eye with a hint of glitter. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. And let's begin with today's tutorial. And we are going to begin with eye makeup first and then we'll move on to the face makeup. I'm taking this Supra foundation from Kryolan as my base. Since I'm going to be using a lot of light colors, I did go for a lighter base color. Now from the Beige Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take this mustard brown kind of a shade on a big fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to diffuse the shade on my crease. And then on this Weightless blending brush, it's a little tapered and a little smaller than the first brush we used, so it will be more concentrated on the crease. I'm going to apply a matte brown eyeshadow on the crease area, and I'm just going to, and on the outer half of the lid space, and I'm going to take a clean blending brush now, and I'm going to diffuse the two shades together to get like a more precise, more smooth blend. Now I'm going to cut the crease, not too much, and it's not like it's a very diffused look. And I'm going to take these two shadows. First I'm going to go in with the lighter one, and then I'm going to go with the mustard yellow kind of a shade. So these are all the shades that I have in my outfit that you can't see, but yeah, these are the shades that I'm applying. And now once again I'm just going to apply the brown eye shadow once I've applied both the shadows, just to kind of give everything a nice transition. Everything looks smooth and well blended. And now I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner. This one is from Sugar, and I'm going to create a wing out of this. And now I'm taking a black eyeshadow on a small blending brush. This brush is from Estee Lauder, and I'm just going to add some depth to the look. This is how it looks without any glitter. And now we'll move on to the face makeup, and then from there we'll go ahead and finish our lower lash line. I'm taking this one is from Loreal. This is a primer. This is like a dewy primer. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and then I'm going to do some color correcting. So I'm applying like a darker concealer. This one's from the NYX concealer palette. So I'm applying the darker concealer first to kind of color correct my under eye area, and then I'm going to take this LA Girl Illuminating Dewy Finish foundation, and I'm using the foundation brush from Weishi. It just applies the foundation so quickly and doesn't leave any marks. I'm so sorry for my voice being like that. I'm down with a lot of cold and cough. Sorry for that. So this brush is really very easy to use, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to take another Supra foundation. This is G165, the number, and I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting with this. As you can see, this is not like too contrasting a shade, but it has like nice yellow undertone, which I love. So I'm just going to take Beauty Blender and just going to buff out the concealer, and from there I'm going to take this one is from NYX Topaz Tan. I'm almost out of it, so I'm using it on a brush, and then I'm just going to blend it. It blends very easily, and I'm just going to contour with that a little bit. And I'm like now with a small like synthetic angled brush, I'm just going to contour my nose as well. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. And now I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix powder and just going to slightly set my under eye area, and I'm just going to now apply a liquid blush. This one's from W7, and it's like has a pinky hue to it. So since my lipstick is going to be of similar shade, I just went ahead with that blush. And now I'm just going to set the powder contour, like lay down the bronzer over wherever I had applied the contour. This one is from the NYX palette, and I'm using the blush also from the same palette, very lightly just layering up that liquid blush. And now we're going to move on to the eyebrows, just to frame the face. And this one is from Miniso. I love their eyebrow products. They're so nice. Their pencils, I have tried like 2-3 varieties, and I love all of them. So now once the eyebrows are done, I'm going to set them with a gel. This one is from NYX, and this is how the eye makeup looks. So if you don't want to add glitter at this point, you can just do your mascara and the lower lash line and be done. So for the lower lash line, I'm again using the same shades that I use for my crease and transition shade. Just going to take them on a blending brush and deepen up my lower lash line. And on this Weightless smudger brush, I'm just going to apply a black eyeshadow. Now this is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and apply some glitter just to give it a more festive look. I'm going to go ahead with the white one. You can, it's like up to you. You can use a golden glitter or any color glitter also, since it's a very neutral look. With a small brush, I'm just going to place the glitter, and while the glitter is drying, just make sure you keep your eyes closed and apply the mascara, curl your lashes, and I'm just going to go ahead with the lashes, and I filled in my lower lash line as well. These NYKAA lashes are really nice. They are very lightweight. And now we'll just move on to this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and this one is Molten Gold, and you can just go ahead and apply that. I'm using this Weishi brush. This is the flat eyeshadow brush. I love how multi-purpose this brush is. So I'm just going to highlight with it and now move on with lip liner and lipstick. So this one is from, the lip liner is from Wet n Wild, and the lipstick is from Faces Weightless matte lipstick. I think this is Peach Candy or Alluring Pink, one of those. I'm going to list down all the products. Here is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this video. This is a nice little look for Diwali. I think for the wedding, like if you are attending a wedding also, you can go ahead with this look. There's a nice pop of glitter which is not very overpowering, and I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm on Instagram as well. If you are from Delhi NCR area and want to get your makeup done from me, get in touch with me through emails. I also take makeup classes. If you're interested in learning makeup from me, again, get in touch with me, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.